1. Every year, the human body renews 98% of all its atoms. 2. In 1932, the atom was split for the first time in history by John Cockcroft and Ernest Walton. 3. Atoms were created after the Big Bang about 13.7 billion years ago. 4. During the Big Bang, the universe was too hot, so the atoms could not form. But after 380,000 years, the universe cooled down. 5. An atom is the tiniest unit of any ordinary matter that can carry the properties of that matter. 6. If you divide an atom, it will lose the properties of the matter itself. 7. The word atom is based on the Greek word atomos, which means uncuttable or indivisible. 8. The idea of the atom was introduced about 2,500 years ago by the Greek philosopher Leucippus of Miletus. 9. There are 118 kinds of atoms because there are 118 chemical elements that have been discovered. Around 24 of these chemical elements are man-made. 10. In the past, philosophers and scientists believed that atoms are indivisible. But later, humans discovered that atoms are divisible. 11. You will discover 3 primary types of particles if you divide an atom. These particles are called subatomic particles. 12. The 3 most important subatomic particles are named electron, proton, and neutron. 13. According to researchers, along with those 3 subatomic particles, there are more than 200 different types of subatomic particles. 14. Because researchers believed that it's impossible to divide the subatomic particles, they were called fundamental particles. 15. Later, researchers discovered that even these particles are divisible. Protons and neutrons, but not the electrons. 16. You would discover quarks if you divide some of the subatomic particles. Because of that, the fundamental particles are actually the quarks. 17. It's impossible to see atoms using a typical optical microscope. 18. The neutron and the proton are located at the core of the atom. The core is called the nucleus of the atom. 19. The electrons are not located within the nucleus, but in the outer region that surrounds the nucleus. 20. Atoms consist almost entirely of empty space. 99.9999999999996% of a hydrogen atom is empty space. 21. Atoms are not the same thing as molecules. A group of 2 or more atoms creates a molecule. 22. The body of an adult human of 70 kilograms is made of around 7 billion atoms. 23. The first microscope that allowed humans to observe atoms for the first time was introduced in 1981 by 2 physicists from IBM. 24. The size of a typical atom is from 0.1 to 0.5 nanometers. 25. According to researchers, there are around 10 to the power of 78 to 10 to the power of 82 atoms in the known universe.